Introducing your study path. Your study path is a curriculum-based online learning platform for desktop and mobile devices that gives you access to high-quality learning materials. Our platform hosts high-quality pre-recorded videos, live classes, question banks with detailed solutions, and social learning features to ensure that you excel in your academics. We currently have content for high school students in West Africa. You can now have the entire curriculum at your fingertips, pass exams like JAMB, WAEC, and NECO easily. Here's how to use our platform. Using an internet browser, log on to www.yourstudypath.com. Click on Sign Up to create an account, fill the forms, and activate your account. Congratulations! You're now a subscriber to Africa's largest learning ecosystem. Log in with your user details. Here is your dashboard. You can select a study path to get streamlined content for a particular examination goal. To access our video content, select any subject of your choice. You can easily watch videos on any topic. You can find details about your tutor and the topic being taught by accessing the overview menu. You can also access the question and answer menu to ask questions and get answers. Discussion menu offers interactivity with other users who are taking the same course. You can access the question bank by clicking on the question bank button. Select any subject of your choice. You can view the questions and detailed solutions that follows. Questions can be filtered by category, level, topic, question year, question type, and difficulty. Mock exams offer our users the ability to simulate an exam they're preparing for. To access mock exams, click on the mock examination button. Here, you'll get access to the upcoming mock examinations. Welcome to your study path.